Okay, so we're playing this UFC game. What's it called, Tyler?
Unity.
Right. So we're playing it, and this happens. Just like Cuban pretzels, neither of us can get out, no matter what we press. I don't even know what to think. This is a sin against anything that is ever... I don't even understand what is going. I've got a hold of your very soul. Oh, you've got a hold of my soul, but
That is some Quan Chi shit.
da 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 da. This is the world's best tango. Da 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 da. Yeah, that guy from Stan Lee show has nothing on.
Jesus Christ. This is Gary's.
This is your game on Gary's Mod. Hold on. Hold on. Watch. I know, I can attack it. I'm like kicking the back of my head. Look at that. Watcha, I kick my own ass.
Oh, yeah. Okay, slow down on the body chart when it comes up.